Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed about compound interest and also we have learned how to calculate the amount using compound interest. The same amount formula can be used for calculating the population related problems. So today we will discuss the population related problems using compound interest formula. The formula for calculating the amount, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. So the amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Then depreciation means negative growth or decrease in value. Depreciation means decrease in value. So we use the formula A is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 the whole power n for depreciation. The only change in the sign. Here plus, here minus. Move on to exercise problems. First problem from exercise 10.2. The population of a town is 27,600. It is increasing at the rate of 5% per annum. What will be the expected increase in population of the town in 2 years? So what is given? The population of a town is 27,600. So the present population is given. Present population is 27,600. It is increasing at the rate of 5%. So R is given 5% per annum. What will be the expected increase in the population of the town in 2 years? So here n is equal to 2. We have to find the population after 2 years. Okay. So the population after 2 years be A. So A is equal to, using the formula P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. So what is given? Present population is given. Present population is equal to, present population P is equal to 27,600. Then R 5% and n is equal to 2. So the population after 2 years be capital A. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Substituting the values of P, R and n in this equation. So P into 27,600 into 1 plus R 5 by 100 the whole power n. N means 2. Here 5 and 100 cancel. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 0. Okay, so it can be written as 27,600 into 1 plus 1 by 20 the whole square. 1 plus 1 by 20 the whole square. The left side A is equal to 27,600 into, by applying cross multiplication, 1 into 20 plus 1 into 1. So 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 the whole square is equal to 27,600 into, the whole square means 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Here 2 0, here 2 0, cancel. Then 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, balance 116, 8 2s are 16. Again, cancel. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, then 1 balance 18, 9 2s are 18. So is equal to 69 into 21 into 21, 21 square, 441. Multiplying 441 into 69. 1 9 is 9, 9 4s are 36, balance 3, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 3, 39, 36 plus 3, 39, 166, 6 fours are 24, balance 2. 6 fours are 24 plus 2, 26. Adding 9, 12, balance 1. 14, again balance 1. 9 plus 1, 10, balance 1. 3. So 30,429. 30,429. So the population after 2 years be 30,429. So population after 2 years A is equal to 30,429. Population after 2 years. Population after 2 years A is equal to 30,429. Next, have to find the expected increase in population. The expected increase in population is equal to A minus P. This is A and this is P. Okay. So expected increase in population. We have to find the expected increase in the population. So expected increase in population is equal to A minus P is equal to, here A 30,429 minus P 27,600. Subtracting 30,429 minus 27,600. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 6 is not possible. So we take 1 here. Not possible. So 0. Here 3. So here 10. And again 1. So here 14. Here 1 less 9. Here 2. So 14 minus 6, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So 2,829. So expected increase in the population is 2,829. Next, question number 2. The population of a town is increasing at the rate of 4% per annum. If 2 years ago, the population of the town was 70,000. Find its present population. So, what is given? Before 2 years, the population of the town was 70,000 and the rate is 4%. And the time, that means n is equal to 2. We have to find the present population. We have to find the present population. So P is equal to 70,000. R is equal to 4% and n is equal to 2. We have to find the present population. So present population A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n is equal to P 70,000 into 1 plus R by 100 4 by 100 the whole power 2. We can cancel 4 and 100. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8, balance 2 20, 5 4s are 20. So 70,000 into 1 plus 1 by 25 the whole square is equal to 70,000 into 1 plus 1 by 25 means by applying cos 25 plus 1. 1 into 25 plus 1 into 1. So 25 plus 1 26. 26 by 25 the whole square is equal to 70,000 into whole square means 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. We can cancel 25 and 70,000. 125 is 25. Here 2 25s are 50. Then balance 20. Again 200. Then 8 25s are 200. Then put 2 zeros. Again 25 and 2800. 125 is 25. Here 125 is 25. Then balance 3 30. Again 125 is 25. Then again balance 550. 2 25s are 50. So 112 into 26 into 26. 26 into 26. 6 6 are 36. Balance 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 50. Then 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 6 7 6. So 26 into 26 is 676. So multiply these two numbers. 676 into 112. 6 2s are 12. Then balance 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. Again balance 1. 12 plus 1 13. Then 6 7 6. Then 6 7 6. Adding 2 5 plus 6 11. Balance 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 17. Again balance 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 7 15. Again balance 1 7. So 75,712. So the present population is 75,712. Question number 3. 2 years ago, the population of the town was 32,000. It had increased by 5% and 3% respectively in first year and second year. Find its present population. So 2 years ago, the population of the town was 32,000. So P is equal to 32,000 and increased by 5% and 3% in first year and second year. So first year, the rate is 5% and second year the rate is 3%. We have to find the present population. Okay. So for first year P is equal to 32,000. R is equal to 5% and the time T is equal to 1 year. So the population A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power N is equal to P 32,000 into 1 plus R 5 divided by 100 the whole power 1. You can cancel 5 and 100. 1 5 is 5 and 2 5s are 10, 0. So 32,000 into 1 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 32,000 into, by using the LCM, 20 plus 1, 21 by 20. You can cancel 0 and 0. Here 1 2 is 2 and 16 2s are 32. Then 0 0. So 16,000 into 21. So 21 into 16. 1 6 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 1 1 is 1 and 1 2 is 2. 6 3 3. So 336 put 2 0. So the population in first year is 33,600. Next, have to find for second year. For second year, the population P is equal to 33,600. 33,600 and the rate R is equal to 3% and the time T is equal to 1. Then substituting A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power N. So P 33,600 into 1 plus 3 by 100 the whole power 1 is equal to 33,000 into the LCM 100 plus 3, 103 divided by 100. So 20 cancel. So 336 into 103. 336 into 103. 6 3s are 18, then balance 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, balance 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Then 0 into any number is 0. 0, 0, 0. 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. Adding 8, 0, 6, 4, 3. So is equal to 34,608. Present population is equal to 34,608. Next, question number 5. Puneet bought a window AC at a price of rupees 42,000. Its cost depreciated at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the value of the AC after 2 years. What is given? Puneet bought a window AC at a price of rupees 42,000. So the present price is given 42,000. Its cost depreciated. Depreciated means decreasing at the rate of 5%. The rate is given 5%. Find the value of the AC after 2 years. So we have to find the decreasing value after 2 years. Okay. So what is given? Present price. P is equal to rupees 42,000. Then rate R is equal to 5%. So we have to find the value after 2 years. So value after 2 years. So A is equal to P into 1. Here depreciated means decreasing. So 1 minus R by 100 the whole power N. Okay. Here N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. So substituting the value of P, R and N in this equation. So 42,000 into 1 minus 5 by 100 the whole square. So 42,000 into, you can cancel 5 and 100, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 0. So 1 minus 1 by 20 the whole square is equal to 42,000 into LCM 20 minus 1, 19 by 20 the whole square. So A is equal to 42,000 into 19 by 20 the whole square means 19 by 20 into 19 by 20. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Then 2, 1, 2 is 2. Here 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2 is 1 and 0. Again 2 and 210, 1, 2 is 2. Here 10 2s are 20, 5 2s are 10. So 105 into 19 into 90. Then 19 into 90, 9 9s are 81, balance 8. 1 9 is 9, 9 plus 8, 17. 1 9 is 9, 1 1 is 1. 1, 9 plus 7, 16, balance 1, 316. So 105 into 361. Again, multiply 361 into 105. 5, 5, 6 are 30, balance 3, 15 plus 3, 18. 0 any number is 0. 1, 6, 3. And 5, 0, 9, 7, 3. So 37,905. So the value of the AC after 2 years is equal to 37,905. Today we have discussed population growth and depreciation. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.